Oh my goodness, hello! It's been a while! We are making my summer vision board today. So without further ado, let's hop on into it. Let's pull up Pinterest. I don't really know what I know I want pictures of like the beach. I think any picture of the beach would work. Would Jake and I always end up looking for shells on the beach? So maybe like this one. Download image. I like this one. Download image. Look at this little turtle. It's so cute. What about this one of her reading on the beach? And then maybe this one with like all the books. So we have a couple of books. What else are we thinking? How about this one? Because she's like in the water and she's swimming. Let's hop onto Canva. So we are starting off with this lovely orange background. Let's make it not orange because I don't think we need orange for like summer. Okay, we're gonna go with this blue, and then we're just gonna add all of the photos that I have saved. You. Add to page. Cool, so now we need to organize all these and make them pretty. So I'm just gonna like rough draft, put them places for right now, and just, we can like move them around and rearrange them like as we go. Go smaller. There we go. I didn't realize exactly how many pictures I had. I mean, I did. I realized it was a lot. And you know what? If I end up not using all of them, it's not the end of the world. Don't look at my knees. I could sit here and probably move the pictures so many times. So I think for right now, this is good enough. Now we need some like summer like quotes or something, I think, to go in a couple of spots. Some of these are probably gonna be so cheesy. Girls just want to have sun. You know what? We can be cheesy. And then we're gonna move that one. This one's gonna go right up here. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna change the color and everything. I have an idea. Move you there. Make you a little bit bigger. Okay, I don't hate it. Okay, what if I just put like a little like sunshine in that square? No, that one's kind of pretty. Let's do that one. In that square right there. Okay. Now I need something else for like that little rectangle. Let's go with this one. And then you know what? We're just gonna add a couple more. Because why not? Alrighty. We're gonna make this thing a little bit smaller. Let's put him like right in here. This I think this dude is really cute. He's gonna go right there. So I will have a picture of my 2026 vision board here. I hope that all of you enjoyed. If you are making a 2026 vision board, or you have any ideas of what you're planning on doing this summer, let me know down below. Don't forget to check out my main channel because I will also be posting a summer bucket list with all the things I want to do. Make sure you go check that out. Check out my other DIYs, and I hope all of you have a wonderful summer. I will see you in the next one.